Lesson 18.
Repeat.
Street. Few. Little.
Explanation.
Few is the opposite of many. Example: there are few people in the street at midnight. In other words, not many people. The opposite of much is little. Example: he has little time to play. In other words, not much time.
Questions.
What's the opposite of many? What's the opposite of many? The opposite of many is few. Are there few people in the street at night? Are there few people in the street at night? Yes, there are few people in the street at night. Are there few students in a small class? Are there few students in a small class? Yes, there are few students in a small class. What's the opposite of you like to travel much? What's the opposite of you like to travel much? The opposite of you like to travel much is you like to travel little. What's the opposite of we have much time to go? What's the opposite of we have much time to go? The opposite of we have much time to go is we have little time to go.
Repeat.
Another. Noon.
Explanation.
The word another means one other. Example: another word for midday is noon. Both midday and noon mean the same thing. We use another for singular and other for plural.
Questions.
Are there other teachers in this city? Are there other teachers in this city? Yes, there are other teachers in this city. Is there another teacher giving you a lesson? Is there another teacher giving you a lesson? No, there isn't another teacher giving me a lesson. Are there other adults in your country? Are there other adults in your country? Yes, there are other adults in my country. Give me another word for midday, please. Give me another word for midday, please. Another word for midday is noon.
Repeat.
A lot. Special. Especially. Conversation.
Explanation.
Instead of saying much and many, it's very common for people to say a lot, especially in conversation. For example, instead of saying I will have much money someday, we can say I will have a lot of money someday.
Questions.
In conversation, what can we say instead of much and many? In conversation, what can we say instead of much and many? In conversation, we can say a lot instead of much and many. Do you like studying a lot? Do you like studying a lot? Yes, I like studying a lot. Do we have a lot of months between January and April? Do we have a lot of months between January and April? No, we don't have a lot of months between January and April. We have few months between January and April. Are there a lot of children under 10 who know how to drive? Are there a lot of children under 10 who know how to drive? No, there aren't a lot of children under 10 who know how to drive.
Repeat.
Friend. Well. Good at. Badly. Bad at.
Explanation.
Friends are people we like to be with. Well and badly are opposites. For example, I can drive very well, but I sing badly.
Questions.
Do you have a friend who sings badly? Do you have a friend who sings badly? Yes, I have a friend who sings badly. That means they're bad at singing, right? That means they're bad at singing, right? Yes, that's right. That means they're bad at singing. Do you have a friend who cooks well? Do you have a friend who cooks well? Yes, I have a friend who cooks well. That means they're good at cooking, right? That means they're good at cooking, right? Yes, that's right. That means they're good at cooking.
Repeat.
Temperature. Hot. Warm. Cool. Cold.
Explanation.
In temperature we have hot, warm, cool and cold. Warm means hot but not very, very hot. And cool means cold but not very, very cold.
Questions.
In temperature, what does cool mean? In temperature, what does cool mean? In temperature, cool means cold but not very, very cold. What does warm mean? What does warm mean? Warm means hot, but not very, very hot. Are salads hot or cold? Are salads hot or cold? Salads are cold. Is your dinner often cold? Is your dinner often cold? No, my dinner isn't often cold. It's often hot or warm.
Repeat.
Men. Women. Chocolate.
Explanation.
The plural of man is men. The plural of woman is women.
Questions.
What's the plural of man? What's the plural of man? The plural of man is men. What's the plural of woman? What's the plural of woman? The plural of woman is women. Are there many men who like beer? Are there many men who like beer? Yes, there are many men who like beer. Are there many women who like chocolate? Are there many women who like chocolate? Yes, there are many women who like chocolate.